Hi, I'm Alexander Turnbull from ROP Hot Tool. Today I'm pretty excited. I've been given a challenge and I love challenges, absolutely love them. So the challenge is today, what can I do with a wig that is really tired and has got really dry and then needs to be reworked? So I was kind of thinking, right, what's going to be a really good example of reworking a wig? So this lady here, who's very disheveled and she's seen better days, is Julie. Julie is from the Alexander Couture Collection, and this is in melted marshmallow. Now, this wig is pretty old, okay? It's been in my kit for some time, and I took it out and I thought, this is gonna be perfect for the challenge. So first off, ladies and gentlemen, what I need to do is I need to work it with Revive. Okay, so I'm just gonna mist the Revive from an arm's distance around the wig. So I'm lifting this up, lifting this up. This is an amazing product. And for one of you that don't know what the Revive is, Revive, well, this is what it says on the bottle. It says Revive Liquid Enhancement. But for me, this is the best leave-in conditioner on the market, bar none, for synthetic wigs, without a doubt. I mean, I've even used it on my own hair, and it just made my own hair feel a bit soft, but it is designed for our wigs, and it's amazing. So this is Revive. I'm just picking up a soft brush, okay? And with one hand over, I'm just very lightly brushing this in. Now, if you remember from the beginning of the video, I said we're gonna do a rework, okay? So a rework is like a restyle, but I'm not restyling it with scissors. It's not a haircut. It's gonna be Julie with the lovely Revive in there. And then we're going to use the Hot Tool and we're going to change the curl pattern. So we're going to transform this Julie. You can see our Julie has been brought back to life. Now, if I wanted her to go back to the original curl pattern after brushing it, I'll probably give this a bit of a shake right now. It's a little bit damp from the Revive, so I could put a little bit more on, give it a shake, tousle with my fingers, and allow it to fall back into the curl pattern. But I'm reworking today. So here I have the René Hot Tool. So remember, I said we were going to rework it. So that doesn't necessarily mean that I want to do it poker straight. And the beauty, ladies and gentlemen, the beauty of this amazing hot tool is it's got teeth, you know, so the teeth actually allow you to use this as a comb as well. My fingers, just gonna, before I put anything in there, just break it up. Remember, we weren't going super straight today. We were disheveling, breaking the curl, and we were cleaning it up with the Revive. So, Revive again. And, you know, I think Julie kind of looks somewhat like Ivana now, ladies and gentlemen. What do you think? I think she's got turned into a bit of an Ivana texture. So, you know, if you do have curly wigs out there that you've had a while, that you'd like to do something differently and bring it back to life. You're not ready to throw her away and put her in the bin. Buy some Revive, get a hot tool, and become the master of your own destiny. Do the style yourself and have a look, and we'd love to see the videos. For me, guys, that looks great. And that's just, you know, that was a very, very old wig. Julie. She'd been in my kit for a long time, and a really good test today to, one, show you how effective Revive is as a conditioning agent that can bring back our fibres back to life, and also the effectiveness of the hot tool to be able to take something that was necessarily, if this was a wig at home that you might have stopped wearing or not necessarily going to use again, to be able to rework it and change it into something else. What do you think, guys? Is this something you've tried? Is it something you're going to try? Let us know, leave your comments below. We'd love to hear. But for now, from me and all of us here at René of Paris and Aderans, I'm Alexander Turnbull. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Thank you.